Hi YouTube, so today I'm gonna do my squishy clay charm collection video, so hope you guys like it. And again, I got a sore throat today, so my voice is quite weird, so sorry about that. So let's get started. First, I'm gonna do my blue collection video. So I got this really kawaii macaroon. It is really tall, and this whipped cream is really funny, I think. Then I got this lollipop. So all of these are kind of squishy. They are all made out of air dry clay. Some of them are made out of eye clay. Then I got this popsicle thing. And again I got this donut, which is super squishy. Yeah, and I made it with a mold. Then I got this super cute octopus, which is squishy. This tiny drop of water, and this ice cream, but the cream wasn't squishy, it's hard to squeeze. Then I got another macaroon, which is really ugly, I think, and it wasn't centered. Then I got this waffle with ice cream and dollop. So the ice cream is squishy. Then I got a biscuit, which, yeah, the whipped cream is super squishy. Then I got this stick, squishy. Then I got this biscuit. I think the cream wasn't squishy, but this one I made it myself. I mean the cream, I mixed it. Yeah, so then I'm gonna do my green collection video. So first I got this bead. It's so cute, and this is inspired by the movie The Toy Story 3. And this macaroon top, I love the color, like it's like a marble kind of color. And I put some cane slices, yeah. Then I got 2 of these candy. Another smaller macaroon top, which is also marbled color. A green biscuit, and the sauce I bought it. The cream is also squishy. Then I got a really flat macaroon. Then I got another biscuit. The cream is really squishy, and there are some marbles on the cream. Then I got this waffle. It's kind of squishy. Then I got this extremely ugly popsicle. No, lollipop. This is my first lollipop, so I think it wasn't good. Then I got a crossover macaroon, which is the yellow and the green, and with pink whipped cream. Then I got this rainbow cake, but the color mixed together, yeah, so it's kind of ugly, but I kind of like this cream because the cane slices were so beautiful, I think. And this macaroon, which is, which is also kind of tall. Then I got this extremely cute blueberry, a flattened blueberry. Yeah, this is squishy, but it is very flat, so it's hard to squeeze. Then I'm gonna do my pink collection. So I got loads of pink squishy clay charms. So first I got this cupcake. It is also squishy. The cream dollop is squishy. And I got this bread bun, squishy. This donut. I made a sauce with acrylic paint, the Americana one, but it didn't turn out really good, I think. Yeah. Then I got loads of donuts, which I made with a mold. Yeah, it's super textured, like the mold is good. Then I got another donut. And also this donut. Actually it's hard to see, but actually I painted it half of it with acrylic paint. Yeah. And another donut. This is squishy. Then I got some macaroon. This is a kawaii one, but I glazed it, so I don't think it is good. Yeah, it's not squishy at all because I glazed it. And I got this cookie again. And this ice cream, which is, the whipped cream is super squishy and I love the whipped cream. This biscuit, it's squishy. A tiny macaroon, squishy. This biscuit, which the cream is super duper squishy, like, yeah. And I love the cream, and it is so nice, I think, the pattern of the cream. Then I got this waffle, which is ice cream scoop and also whipped cream. Then I got this biscuit with the heart, and this cake slice again. This macaroon, which is squishy. This lollipop. This biscuit, I cracked it actually. This wasn't made by iClay, so the quality is really bad. As you can see, it's going to fall off. Yeah, but it is textured, so it's quite beautiful. This huge cake slice, or yeah, I'm not sure what is this called. This glazed cake slice. Oops, sorry, there's a phone call. Yeah, sorry about that. Then there's this macaroon top. This flattened macaroon. Then I'm gonna show you my other color collection, which is a little bit strange. First, I got this huge Mickey donut. This ice cream, which is super squishy and I love it. This orange macaroon. This bun with whipped cream and also cane slices. This cookie, which is textured. This donut. This chocolate chip cookie, which didn't turn out really good and it wasn't realistic at all. This chocolate, the whipped cream is squishy. This red macaroon. This brown color tan macaroon. This ugly chocolate chip cookie. And I made these two, which is really funny, poisonous donut, so it's super squishy. And this one is kind of looks like the Mickey Mouse donut, like the color and the pattern, but it looks like poisonous. And this one is also, but they're super squishy. Then I got this tiny macaroon. Last, I got this bun, which is super realistic because it was textured, and I painted with chalk pastel and I attached the eye pin into it. Yeah, so these are all my squishy collection. So hope you guys like this video, and remember to leave comment to let me get more improvement and subscribe my channel. Thank you, bye.